Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Chosen Roses. Today we're going to be talking about some essential oils that have given good result during this period of pandemic. But before we can start, I want to tell you something. I have uploaded a video that explain exactly. This is not my video. I have no right to it, but I'm glad this son, uploaded it. It explains what's happening right now in my country, Haiti. Guys, I'm very saddened. So many of my brothers and sisters died in the last earthquake in Haiti. May their souls rest in peace. May the God of my ancestors bless those that are left behind. Give them courage. May He help those that are in the hospital. We haven't even finished mourning the assassination of President Jovenel Moise. We're still waiting for justice to be done for him. And this is what's happening. The universe must trust us to be giving us so many problems to resolve. May God bless Haiti. May God bless the resilience of the Haitian people. We're still waiting for the result of the investigation. President Jovenel Moise must get justice. May he rest in peace. Well, guys, my mother was a healer. She used to heal asthma and many other ailments, but especially it was asthma. So I have grown up with the love for the leaves and essential oil being the concentrate part of the plants. I'm in love with essential oil and I have been using them since 25 years. Guys, today I'm going to share with you some of the essential oils that are antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, and that are very good for this period. I have used them. My friends, I have recommend them to my friends, and they have given good result. So I said today I will share with you some of them. I'm not going to go in details today about each of them, but I will tell you how you can use them to kill germs around the house. If you have the cold, the flu, to open up your sinuses, to open up your bronchi. I have a background in nursing, guys, and but I always like the plants better because being from a Caribbean background, I know we didn't always have a doctor around, but the plants did save our lives so many times. So today I'm going to talk to you about one of the combinations that I like a lot. It's it has to do with, I mean, I like to use eucalyptus, peppermint, lavender, tea tree oil. Sometimes I will add a little clove. Guys, this has worked miracle for me and for so many of my friends. Because eucalyptus, according to some aromatherapy books, and uh, uh, after using them for so long, I can give guarantee. I'm not a doctor. If you sick, go to the doctor. But if you feel something coming, or to prevent something from coming, when I've been burning in my diffuser, I use eucalyptus, which is antibacterial. Eucalyptus is a decongestant. It's good for cough. If you feel stuffy, eucalyptus, that's what decongest you. It's also good for sinuses. If you feel your sinuses clog up, use a little eucalyptus. But I want you to know that if you have high blood pressure, or if you have epilepsy, to be careful with eucalyptus. What I usually do is that I put on 2 or 3, 5 drops in my aromat lamp or diffuser. I will add like the same amount of peppermint, like 2, 3, 5 drops, or depending of the how big is the room, you can add more. I will add 2, 3, 4, 5 drops of peppermint, because peppermint make you breathe better. It's unclog the sinuses also. It's good for digestion. It's good for flatulence. But it's good for cold and flu too. So when you add 5 drops of peppermint to 5 drops of eucalyptus, and peppermint is also, if I remember well, peppermint is also antibacterial. So this is a very good combination. But I don't want to stay there. In my blend, I will use eucalyptus, peppermint, lavender, tea tree, lemon, and a little clove. Why? Because sometimes you get sick, you get a virus when you have a cold, but it becomes pneumonia sometimes and stuff like that. So when I make this, when I use this oil together, I kill germs in the house. And if I feel a cold coming on, or I have a cold, the eucalyptus, peppermint, lavender is good for relaxation. And you know when you are, it's also good for cold and flu. When you have a cold, you cannot breathe. When you cannot breathe, you are anxious. So it relaxes you a little bit, so you can take deep breaths, I mean. I also use tea tree, because tea tree is all of this: antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal. Guys, I don't want to tell you only I want you to try it yourself. I want you to try it yourself. Lemon, excuse me, lemon essential oil, I've used it in my blend. Not only lemon neutralize bad odors, but it's an air freshener. It's good for cold and flu. Excuse me. It's good for the immune system. So, guys, I am sharing with you, and I'm not kidding. These essential oils have been preventing me from getting cold. I've been curing some have cold and flus. I've been cold and flus. And I just wanted to share with you. What you do is that you buy your essential oil and you put on like 5 drops of eucalyptus in your diffuser, 5 drops of lemon, 5 drops of peppermint, 5 drops of tea tree, 5 drops of lavender. Like I told you, I love clove. Clove is also an antibacterial oil. So when I made this blend, this mixture, let me tell you, it works. It works. So if you feel a cold coming in, if you want to prevent, if you want to keep like the air clean, so you can use that melange, that blend, that synergy of oils, and you will thank nature's. You will thank nature for that. I hope you all be safe during this time of pandemic. And the next time I will be talking, I will take each essential oil by itself and explain to you what each of them do. What each of them do. So I hope you are well, and I want to thank each and every one of you that have loved, like, share, subscribe to the channel, and please keep liking, commenting, and sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Just press the notification bell so every time I upload a video, you can be aware of that. Thank you very much. May the God of my ancestors bless you all. Haiti Papiri. Haiti won't die. We will survive. Thank you to everybody who is concerned about us in Haiti, about our people in Haiti. May the God of my ancestors keep my country under their wings. Thank you. God bless.